If you're seeing an Audacity error importing M4A files, the fix is usually to install FFmpeg, so Audacity can read those audio formats properly. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to download, install, and connect FFmpeg to Audacity so you can get back to editing without the import error. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes like this. First, open your browser and go to the official FFmpeg download page for Audacity. It's important to use the official source so you avoid broken files or unsafe downloads. Once the page loads, look for the Windows installer if you're on a Windows computer. Download the .exe installer file to your device. After the download finishes, open the installer and run it. Follow the on-screen setup steps carefully and complete the installation. This process adds the FFmpeg library files that Audacity needs in order to import M4A and other supported audio formats. When the installation is finished, restart Audacity completely. If Audacity was already open during installation, closing and reopening it is a very important step because the program needs to detect the new library files. Now, in Audacity, go to Edit, then Preferences, and then Libraries. This is where Audacity shows whether FFmpeg has been detected correctly. Look for the line that says FFmpeg library version. If you see something like f58.x.x, that means the library was installed and linked successfully, and Audacity should now be able to import your M4A files. If Audacity still does not recognize the library, don't worry. Click Locate, then browse to the folder where you installed FFmpeg. Inside that folder, find the file named avformat-58.dll and select it. This manually points Audacity to the correct FFmpeg library file. Once you confirm the library version or manually locate the DLL file, click OK or apply the changes if needed, then test your M4A import again. In most cases, the error will be fixed right away and your audio file will open normally. That's the full fix for the Audacity error importing M4A. If this video saved you time, make sure to give it a like, subscribe for more troubleshooting guides, and let me know in the comments if you want help with another Audacity issue next.